Do you all want to earn money while you are still in college and school in 2023? Well, here are 5 sources of income ideas from where you can earn money while you are still in college. And don't miss the last one because that's one of my favorite and I have been working on that particular thing for more than 6 months. So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. You know what? Let's just dive in and cut the crap. So the first sources of income idea will be selling presets. If you are a student and you know how to edit videos and to design effects on After Effects, then you can make presets of like color graded and templates and sell them online on websites like Filter Crates and other platforms. Not only this, you can sell wallpapers or even sell your photos on websites like Pexels or iStocks as stock images. Or if you know how to make music, then you can make hooks or beats and sell them online. But you're not gonna make a lot of money by this, but it's a nice way of having a passive income where you don't have to do a lot of things and you're gonna make money online. Okay, so now let's talk about the second way of earning, which is selling your skills as a freelancer. Being a freelancer in this new world now is one of the best decisions you can take if you don't want to be a 9-to-5 employee. Selling your skills online which don't require any degree like take it video editing, web development, data related work is extremely profitable for students. Not only as an extra source of income, you all can say it as an career opportunity too, because many of the freelancers are also making more money in comparison to 9-to-5 employee in comfort of their homes. Not only that, if you want to work in MNCs too, then also these projects which you do as a freelancer are going to make good impressions on your portfolio too. So if you all want to know more about freelancing, then I have dedicated playlist about it where I have told you all about how to start freelancing to the best skills which you can learn as a freelancer. So you can check that playlist out too, but after this video. Third, teaching online. Do you know how to code or how to play a guitar or even how to speak a particular language fluently? Then you can monetize this by teaching them online. There are so many websites which needs teachers like them only. So for example, you can teach maths on websites like Preply where you can set hourly rates for teaching students for other countries which are say not good at maths. Not only this, you can teach your language to the foreigners like Hindi, Marathi or Telugu for an hourly rate too. And if you have any soft skills like coding or something, then you can use platforms like Unacademy which pays a significant amount of money for teaching these type of courses. So yeah, teaching online can be a really side hustle for you too. Okay, so before going on, if you are liking this video and if you want to stay up to date to our content, then please consider liking and subscribing to our channel because it gives a lot of confidence for making out these videos regularly. Okay, so now let's get to the fourth way of making money as a student, dropshipping. Now dropshipping is a type of topic which needs a dedicated video, and if you all want me to make a video on it, then you can comment down in the comment section. But what dropshipping is that it's a type of business where you have to work as a middleman, where you don't need to have a product, but if you have a potential buyer, then you can connect this potential buyer to the manufacturer or product seller and take the cut out of the margin. Now this dropshipping business in itself is a very profitable business, but it needs some type of investment in the first place because you're gonna have to have a potential buyer in the first place. And how are you gonna get them? By running ads on the social media platforms like Instagram Reels or Facebook Reels. But the return to the investment for this business is very high if done right and with proper research and dedication. And if you all want to know more about this, then I have some channel recommendations, which is first Sebastian Giorgio and the second Iman Ghazi and many others which will be linked down in the description box. And okay, so now let's talk about the last way of the source of income on which I have been working on for more than 6 months now, which is content creation. Now I have been doing YouTube for more than 6 months now, and when you do something for that long, you get to know about its goods and its bad. And let me tell you, making content in itself is hectic and it's hard, especially on YouTube. But if you have the ability to entertain, educate, or to add some value in other people's life, then you can monetize these things very easily. For the starters, you can join the YouTube partner program if you are a YouTuber. But this is not the only way to make money. You can do affiliate marketing, build a merch, do super chats, or do sponsorship, or just collaborate with brands. There are bazillion ways of making money when you have some audience. And for audience too, you also don't need like millions or lakhs of subscribers or viewers. You just need couple of thousands of loyal viewers who genuinely wants to watch your content. And making short content is also not very hard these days. You can try out Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts to build an audience. Okay, so these are all the ways by which you can make money as a student in 2023. And by this, we get to the end of the video. And if you have any thoughts, questions or comments, then you can comment them in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to read them all and to answer them. Until then, I'll meet you in the next one. Peace.